Do you often feel as though no matter how much you study, that information simply does not stick? You are not alone. However, what if I told you that you could study more efficiently, retain more information, and even enjoy the process? In this video, I will introduce you to 7 powerful techniques that will transform your approach to learning, enabling you to study smarter, not harder. Be sure to watch until the end, as tip 7 is particularly impactful. Let us begin. Number 1. Learn from your mistakes. Many students pay attention only to their correct answer, but true learning happens when they analyze their mistakes. Here's what you should do. First, look carefully at the question you got wrong and try to understand why you made those mistakes. Then write the correct answer again in your own words. This helps your brain remember the information much better. Remember, mistakes provide valuable learning opportunities. Number 2. Utilize AI-powered study tools. Why study alone when artificial intelligence can assist you? AI-powered tools can summarize content, generate flashcards, and even provide interactive quizzes. You can use AI in many helpful ways. For example, it can quickly summarize long topics, create quizzes that give instant feedback, and explain difficult concepts step by step in a simple way. You can use tools such as ChatGPT, Notion AI, Quizlet AI, and even my own app called Improv Kids, which I created to help students study smarter and faster. Improv has all study tools in one dashboard, so students do not need to switch between many different apps. You can check the link in the description box. Using the right tools can save time and make studying much easier. Number 3. Prioritize key content. Not all information is equally important. Focus on high yield content that frequently appear in exam and assignment. To focus on the right content, start by finding topics that appear again and again in exams or assignments. Then summarize those topics using mind maps, short notes, or flashcards. After that, test yourself by covering your notes and trying to remember the information without looking. Example: imagine you are reading a 300-page textbook and you highlighted almost everything. When you go back to review, it all looks equally important, making it harder to focus on key concepts. Instead, if you highlight only the most important points like formulas, definitions, and key arguments, you can quickly find what really matters at the same time while studying. Less is more. Focus on information that is truly valuable. Number 4. Reverse learning. Here's an unconventional yet effective method. Try answering a question before studying the material. This method works because it forces your brain to search for answer on its own. It helps you remember information better and improve your thinking instead of just reading without understanding. Step 4: reverse learning. First, review a question before studying material. Then attempt to answer based on prior knowledge. After it, study the content and refine your response. This method compels your brain to think critically before absorbing new information. Number 5. Address your weakness first. Many students revise concepts they already understand. However, real progress occurs when one focuses on weak areas first. To improve your weak areas, first identify the topics you find difficult. Then spend more focused time studying those topics. Make sure to revise them again after some time so that information stays fresh in your memory. Improvement requires targeted effort. Work on your weaknesses proactively. Number 6. The Pomodoro Technique. If maintaining focus is difficult, try using the Pomodoro Technique. Here's how the Pomodoro techniques work. Set a timer for 25 minutes. and study with full focus during that time. When the timer ends, take a short break for 5 minutes and then start again. This creates urgency, reduces burnout, and helps you stay focused for longer periods. This approach accelerates learning and improves concentration. Now we are going to a special tip. Tip number 7. This one is very important and many students ignore it. Number 7. The power of positive thinking. It may sound surprising, but your mindset plays a critical role in memory retention. Stress can significantly impair recall. Before studying, adopt a positive mindset. Before you start studying, take 3 deep breaths to relax your mind. Think about yourself, understanding the topic clearly, and getting good marks in your exam. You can also say positive sentences to yourself, like I learn fast and easily, or every session made me better. A calm and positive mind absorbs information more efficiently. Begin your study session with the right mindset. By implementing these 7 strategies, you can study more efficiently, improve your retention, and ultimately achieve better academic results. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video. Goodbye.